to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. This is my fight song, I take back my life song, prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on, starting right now. I'll be strong, I'll play my fight song, and I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me.
The Prides of March, do a YouTube Facebook search. Excitement galore like never before on the OL Assembly. Please watch.